MLA ka BJP na penthor o Bah Hek hakasngi baar ul ong ba ka jing kren jong u halo ka jing khlem jong u dom jong ka yeng dor bar thau an badru halo ka jing jaw jong ka interstate bus terminus kamde setia ba ukren pyrshah sorkar kung bala kno henry ka dei be ba pynsngew ye ka sur jong u paidbah nakaliang jong utay unong mikmat o bade umentri barim ke sorkar jala uloong bagate ka jingkren jong u kamde setia ba ukun tho yano henry ka ei ka bawla kren kalong ban pynsngew ya ka ei ka bagi paidbah ka jala kimat
any anti-government statement, nor I am making any anti-government statement. We are saying the fact what is happening today when the domes collapse. Can we just keep as a mere spectator or a silent spectator? The leakage of the ISBT building can be a mere spectator, a silent spectator. We are also the leaders and also the leaders of the national party and also BJP. We have to raise the voice of people. We are not raising anti-government. We are raising the voice of people. We are not doing anything against the government. Who is doing against the government? But we are every right to raise the voice of the people. We are carrying the voice of people. How they are misinterpreting that? I don't understand this. Whenever statement we are making, nor we are making against any personal against anybody, nor against any institutions or any organization. What our concern is, we are raising the voice that our people and our states are facing. The voice of the state and the voice of the people. It's very wrong argument given by our friends. The thing is, giving statement doesn't mean we are giving the different statement. Doesn't mean that we are giving the different statement. We are here all concerned to our people. We all are here concerned to our states. Whatever statement we are making for the interest of the state and the interest of our people. So by saying that we are making, Basanbor is making a different statement and others making statement, no. BJP, we are one, still we are working as a same leaders in the BJP. Maybe we have a different opinion. That doesn't mean we have the different in the party. Different opinion doesn't mean the different different in the party. No, not now. For quite some time, CM is busy. CM is a CM after all. He is always busy with his work. So to disturb him also doesn't look wise for me. So if it need be, definitely we are going to talk to Honorable CM. Not yet. We are compiling now. So we have told our the secretary of the Central Scheme Monitoring Committee. She's been doing all the compilations. So definitely once it is through, so we are going to give it to the concerned department and also to the Government of India for this report which are going to be submitted through these two issues which we have already taken up in our meeting. Is a separate identity altogether. But the Central Scheme Monitoring Committee has a different identity altogether. Okay. When we have the different identity, I am representing as the chairman, and we have the committee as the chairman of the Central Scheme Monitoring Committee. What do means by Central Scheme Monitoring Committee? So we are directly answerable to the central government. We have been doing our homework, and also we are doing our groundwork to ensure to go and inspections all the central scheme, the flagship flagship program of our Honorable Prime Minister and the central government. So all the scheme we are onto the board now. We have been going to for inspection for this other scheme. Some scheme like the JM, Jal Jeevan Mission. Not entire thing is going to be satisfactory, but some area they are doing well also. We are not going only to see the witch hunting. We are not going here for witch hunting. We are here only to answerable to the people through our central scheme. Whether they are implementing or not with the true letter and spirit, and he has reached out or not, to the people as per the scheme given by the central government.